AGBA Stock Analysis Updates Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in the short 1 minute video, so watch it till the end. We're sitting at 239. 90% off for the day is just, yeah, a very good amount. Previously, when I made the video, I was bullish myself, but I'm going to show you what that means right now. Just to give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins 2023. And I'm telling you all of this because that is the truth, and I've documented everything. So what I'm trying to say here is that AGBA Group Holdings Limited. I was waiting for it to come inside my demand area but like instead of just going with the flow, like most of the times, because you don't have a set TP, this is very risky. Therefore, my directional bias was here, but he never gave me the rules, which is fine. It's part of the game. If I'm here to milk the most that I can of this bullish trend, yeah, I'm here to do it. So therefore, if the price comes into some demand areas here, for example, the 5 minute chart, it's also good, it's for the price to come inside this zone and then give me a double break. So then I can also take it higher. So it's not financial advice. Check out the first link in the description for free resources of value because it's free and it will save you time, money, pain, and everything.